Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow passcode changes on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we go down, then tap on Screen Time, and then scroll down. In here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then we go down to the Allow Changes section and tap on Passcode Changes. From here, you can choose between Allow or Don't Allow changes to passcode. After that, if you go back into your settings, you will notice the option Face ID and passcode will be removed, and no longer can you access Face ID and passcode because of this restriction. So it's nowhere to be found in the settings menu. If you go back into Screen Time and turn on Allow Changes to Passcode, then in the settings menu you'll be able to find Face ID and passcode. If it's not in here, you may need to close the settings menu and reopen it, and then you should be able to see Face ID and passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.